Hi guys, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm gonna prepare Nutty Cheesy Balls. So guys, to make nutty cheesy balls, what we have to do is, here I have a smashed potato. So I will put salt according to taste. This is roasted cumin and coriander powder. They're about 1 teaspoon. Now red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Now here I have cornflour, so I will put cornflour just to tighten it. So I am using 2.5 tablespoons of cornflour, and this is nut. So I am putting this roasted peanut, chopped roasted peanut. Put all of this, and now I'm gonna put sugar according to preferences, and now I will put this chaat masala. I have 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, so I will put this. And now with the help of hand itself, after washing your hand properly, we have to mix it. This is done, guys. Now I will prepare this nutty cheesy balls. So for that I will take this mixed aloo. And I will make a ball like this, and with the help of this two hand I'm gonna make one ball shape, like this, and in this I will put 1 cheese cube and will close it and just make this ball. So once this is done, I will coat this with this vermicelli. And one nutty cheesy ball is ready for frying. So guys, now it's time to make to fry this nutty cheesy balls. So for that I'm using refined white oil. So I will put the oil, as because this balls are big, so I need more oil. If you want to make a small little nutty cheesy balls, so it will be also yummy, guys. So I'm making bigger size. So let the oil gets heated properly, then I will put this thing for frying. So our oil is heated, so now I'll make this balls for frying. I'm frying 2 at a time. Just keep the flame in medium and just wait for this to turn golden. This vermicelli will make it more crunchier, and this nut will make it more nutty. So this is ready, guys. So it's time to take this out in a plate, serving plate. So our 2 nutty cheesy balls is ready to serve. I will fry the rest of it. So guys, our yummy nutty cheesy balls is ready to serve. As you can see how yummy it is looking. I have just done this to show you how cheesy it is looking inside, and it's really yum, guys. So do try at home and treat this to your loved ones, as because it's a Valentine week. So I really love all of you guys. Happy Valentine's Day to all of my viewers. Be happy and blessed always. And if you like this recipe of mine, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys.